Hey, let's talk about driving on expressway and hazardous conditions. We're in North America. We're not that far from my brothers in the North. If you know the brothers in the North, then I need you to type that into the comments. So I'm maintaining speed. The speed limit here is 70, but why would you drive 70 miles an hour? That's dangerous, right? For teaching purposes, I'm gonna make a lane change to the left. So it's mirror turn signal blind spot. I see that truck coming on, so you wanna get over if you can. And then I'm taking my time. I'm not going to panic. I'm anticipating this truck doing something, squeezing their brakes, cutting over. See what happens? See, they're going too fast. Poor judgment. And my man here is about to clown. He on his phone, big blade, driving with one hand. We're not trying to do this. Learn from the mistakes of others, right? So I'm taking my time and just being nice and smooth. This is a great teachable moment. Yes, you are heightened. You're aware. Your back is a little tight. Your hands are gripping the wheel. It's no joke out here. And I'm trying to share this with all my beginning drivers. A beginning driver has less than 10 years of experience. So I'm gonna drive straight. I'm continuing checking my speed. I'm gonna go ahead and get over one lane to the right. Mirror, turn signal blind spot. You can feel the car sliding. You can hear it slide. But if you overreact, you're gonna put your car into the ditch. And we're not trying to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my right turn signal. You're gonna see my guy here with this big blade, diesel, coming hard, going fast, right? You gotta be careful with that. That's a lot of weight on that front end. And there's another person. So my turn signal's on. I'm going slow, lifting my foot, taking my time. Let's talk about these signs to help you. We have chevron alignment signs on the left side telling us this is a sharp curve to the right. We have our guide signs telling us, you know, a food, Starbucks, Wendy's, Panera, Tim Hortons. So I'm just really smooth on the ramp. We have another warning sign of a traffic light ahead. I'm looking ahead. We have our chevron alignment signs to the right that tell us the road is going to the left. You see me being nice and smooth. You can look at my speed. I'm going up real easy. If I overturn the wheel, I'm gonna roll the car into the ditch. And I'm not trying to go into the pond over there. So I'm going up to the edge. I'm looking, checking traffic. I'm taking my time. And I'm being on the brakes nice and smooth. And I'm going up to the edge. Now, a lot of people say, hey, can I turn right on red? You have to stop first and look at traffic. So I'm coming up and stopping, looking at traffic. And I'm making a judgment. I have a green and I'm going off really easy into the first lane. And then I turn out slowly and then I'm good. If this brought you value and you learned something today, give it a thumbs up. Tell me where you are in the world, and if you really like it, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.